Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 5a and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is kind of from the contacts, so we can block the number which we've got currently saved. And the second way is to block the contact which is not on our contact list. And of course, I'll show you both options, and let's begin with the contacts. So let's open your contact list and tap on the contact you'd like to block. Now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see here we've got the option block numbers. So let's tap. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to block this number because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. And as you can see right here we've got this characteristic icon. What's more, it is notified that this number is blocked. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So now we can go back, and as I said, we've got the second way to block a number. And here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. We have to again tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. And as you can see here in the general section we've got blocked numbers, so let's enter, and that's our blacklist right here, and this is the number we just blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, everything went fine, we just successfully blocked it. What's more, here we've got the unknown option, which simply means that after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will be allowed to block the calls from all unidentified callers, which may be quite useful. Of course, you can turn that off the same way. And as I said, the second way to block a number is to enter it manually. So here we've got the option add a number, and as you can see, we can freely enter the number, tap on block, and it will immediately appear on the blacklist, which again means that you will not receive the calls and messages. Of course, if you want, you can unblock the number just by tapping on this X button right next to it. So basically, that's all. This is how to block a number in your Google Pixel 5a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.